What if I told you that you could start from absolutely zero, no money, no products, no followers, and make over $400 in less than a week, just by connecting people to things they already want? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what thousands of people around the world are doing right now using a simple, free CPA method that anyone can start with today. No ads, no investment, just your time, your phone, and a few smart moves. In this video, I'm breaking down step by step how you can do it too, even if you've never made $1 online before. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a bonus strategy that turns your first $400 into a long-term income stream. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Money Central, where we explore the smartest ways to make money online using technology, automation, and digital strategies that actually work. Today's method is something that completely flipped how people look at making money online. CPA marketing, also known as cost per action. It's one of the simplest and most beginner-friendly ways to earn online, because you don't have to sell anything. You get paid when someone takes an action, like signing up for a free trial, downloading an app, or entering their email. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere, your phone, laptop, or even a tablet. All you need is the right method and consistency. CPA stands for cost per action. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you only earn when someone buys a product, CPA pays you for small actions, things that cost your audience nothing. Let's say a brand wants people to sign up for their free credit score check. They might pay $2 to $5 for every sign up. Now, imagine you get 100 people to sign up. That's for $100 to $1,000 just from sharing a link. Brands are willing to pay because leads and signups are valuable to them. Your job is just to connect the right people with the right offers, and you earn in the middle. Before you make a cent, you need the right platform. Some of the most trusted CPA networks you can join for free are CPA Grip, CPA Lead, OGAds, AdWork Media. Once you sign up, you'll find offers that pay you anywhere from 50 cents to $20 per action depending on the niche. Pick beginner-friendly niches like free gift cards, app downloads, financial tools, survey signups. These are offers people don't think twice about joining now. Here's where most people fail. They spam links everywhere, but you're not going to do that. You're going to use a strategy that builds trust, gets real traffic, and keeps your conversions high. Here's the exact step-by-step process that turns your CPA links into real cash. Step 1. Choose a high conversion offer. Look for offers with a high EPC earnings per click. For example, if an offer pays $2 and the EPC is 40 cents, it means 1 out of every 5 clicks usually converts. That's solid. Step 2. Understand your audience. Ask yourself, who would actually be interested in this offer? If it's a free Netflix gift card, then your target is entertainment lovers, movie fans, and students. Step 3. Create a simple landing page. Use free tools like Linktree, Carrot, or Google Sites. Instead of dropping raw links, create a short landing page that looks clean and safe. Write something simple like, get a free $50 Netflix gift card, no purchase required. Add your CPA link under a clear button. Step 4. Drive targeted traffic. This is where you separate from 90% of people. Use free traffic sources smartly. Platforms like TikTok Shorts create quick, 15-second clips explaining deals. Pinterest, post clean visuals with your landing link in bio. Reddit, share your link naturally in niche subreddits. Facebook groups, offer value first, then drop your page link. For example, post in freebies, passive income. Or student deals groups with genuine captions like, hey, I just found this link that gave me a free trial for 3 months of Spotify Premium. Thought it might help someone else too. People love helpful content, not salesy posts. Step 5. Track and optimize. Every platform has analytics. Check where your clicks come from and which ones convert. If Reddit is doing better than TikTok, double down there. This is how you scale to $400 and beyond by repeating what works. Now, let's keep it real. You're not going to make $400 overnight. Your first day might be $5 or even $10. But if you post daily, test different offers, and focus on traffic that converts, your earnings grow fast. Let's break it down. If one offer pays $2 per sign-up and you get just 50 sign-ups a day, that's $100 daily. Do that for 4 days, boom, you're at $400 plus. And once you find your best performing offers, you can literally set up multiple pages and automate parts of it with tools like Bitly tracking or Google Analytics. Here's how you can turn that first $400 into a consistent income. Use part of it to build automated content. Create short-form videos showcasing offers. You can use free AI tools like Pictory, CapCut, or Hagen to make faceless videos that go viral. Post 2 to 3 videos daily across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Each video drives traffic to your CPA link, and the algorithm keeps pushing your content as long as people engage. Imagine this, just 5 videos getting 1,000 views each with a 2% click rate equals 100 clicks. If 10 people complete the offer, that's $20 daily, passively. And when you stack 10 or 20 offers across multiple pages, that's how some people are quietly making $1,000 plus per month without spending a dime. Now, I want you to pause and imagine, what would an extra $400 mean for you right now? Would you use it to pay off a bill, invest, or maybe start a small business online? Comment below. I genuinely want to know how you'd use your first $400. And if you've ever tried CPA before, share your results. Let's help each other grow. I'll be replying to as many comments as I can because this isn't just a channel, it's a community of people who are learning to make money smartly. If you found this video helpful, don't just leave. Take action. Go to one of the CPA networks I mentioned, pick your first offer, and start testing today. The only thing stopping you from earning online is not starting. And hey, if you want me to make a full tutorial showing how to set up CPA Grip step by step, drop a comment that says show me the setup. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video will show you how to turn your CPA income into a full digital business using AI tools completely free. Let's make this the year you go from broke to profitable, one smart click at a time. Thanks for watching Tech Money Central. I'll see you in the next one.